Hello friends, my name is Shoban. This is G-Stomper producer. Friends, any song we make has a keynote and we make our song by tracks, and those tracks we make by samples, and our samples must be tuned on that keynote. So friends, let's start today's video and tune our samples. So first load the sample and I'm looking at kick. Okay, because kick is used on every modern music. Track number 2, I'm using factory samples only, bass. So you can see bass are already tuned on different notes. So dong FM, loading this, it's already tuned in F2. So friends, how we can tune it with the song's keynote. So as you know, this is already in F note. So if we put it here on C note, so its sound is F note. Its sound F note, not C. So let's make it tune first. Make a melody. Let's make a melody first by this bass sound. Okay friends, just listen it. Okay, matching. Go to kick and place it on C note, because our song is on C note. The keynote of a song is C. So let's tune this also in C note. So it is already in F note, so make it C. Make it C. How? So if you count it here from here, then you will see it F is here, C, D, E, F. Okay, because it's already in F, so we have to put it on here. So just bring it down on G note. Okay friends, G, C, now it is C, C, D, E, F. Okay, just play it. Okay, go to drum, low pass, XY controller, play it and set the frequency. If you think it's much heavy, then go to not grid and make it 1 octave up. Long press here, arrow button, and it will be 1 octave up. Now our both samples are tuned in same note. of a song, keynote of a song. So friends, in this way you can tune your samples and make your tracks much melodious. Thanks friends. If you like my videos, please subscribe our channel. Thanks.